How to make money while you sleep. Welcome to my channel Stock Mini. Today's topic is passive income. Passive income is earnings derived from a rental property, dividend income, or limited ownership on a firm. It is an idea that you spend time and/or money and receive income with no limited work. Investing is a great example of passive income. You invest money in a company stock, and you receive a dividend payment and depreciation on the investment. Another popular example is real estate. You buy a property, and you enjoy the rent as passive income. Passive income is how the rich continue to build wealth. When you don't have money, you can leverage your time and effort to create income streams that will grow into the future. As you accumulate money, you can deploy that money to generate more and more passive income. You can also invest in debt instruments, like bonds. If you want a safer approach, you can invest in bank fixed deposits. All of these approaches generate passive income, but they do require something up front, time or money. However, the idea that it becomes passive after you do the work is what's attractive about it. For example, you spend 3 months creating a content, and you can enjoy the royalty income from it for the rest of your life without any further work. Like active income, passive income is usually taxable. Few incomes are tax-free depending on the local policies by the government where you live. For example, dividend income through stocks up to a limit is tax-free in certain countries. Other ways to earn passive income are marketing through social media. Social media marketing is the use of social media platforms and websites to promote a product or service. This can be done through social media influencers. Influencers in social media are people who have built a reputation for their knowledge and expertise on a specific topic. They make regular posts about that topic on their preferred social media channels and generate large followings of enthusiastic, engaged people who pay close attention to their views. Brands love social media influencers because they can create trends and encourage their followers to buy products they promote. Influencer marketing is working with people who are credible and trustworthy experts to promote your products or services. This is an important marketing tactic, as most people pay more attention to recommendations from people they trust than to ads. When an influencer recommends you, this allows you to indirectly gain the trust of that influencer's followers, resulting in more leads and sales. Many influencers have large audiences. Influencer marketing pricing is shown below. Facebook $25 per 1,000 followers. Instagram $10 per 1,000 followers. Twitter $2 per 1,000 followers. YouTube $20 per 1,000 subscribers. Affiliate marketing programs. Affiliate marketing is ideal for Instagrammers who have a large audience to promote and sell products to, but have no actual products to sell. Instead of creating their own product, Instagrammers can simply promote someone else's, taking a percentage of the profit once someone from their Insta audience makes a purchase. Amazon Associates is an affiliate marketing program that allows website owners and bloggers to create links and earn referral fees when customers click through and buy products from Amazon. Affiliate programs are one of the most successful advertising technologies, through which brokers and their partners attract new clients. The partner of a brokerage company gets a commission, the amount of which depends on the volume of transactions on real accounts performed by the partner's clients, traders. Creating YouTube channels. YouTube monetization is the process of earning money from your uploaded YouTube videos by enabling ads on them. When your channel becomes popular and gets regular unique traffic, it becomes profitable for businesses and they are willing to pay to advertise on your videos. Businesses pay YouTube for advertising and YouTube in turn shares a part of that revenue with the video owner. This is how monetization works. Selling photos online. The easiest way to make your photographs available as stock images for sale is by using a third-party microstock website such as upto, Dreamstime, Shutterstock, or Getty Images. Selling your photos through a stock agency like this is quick and easy. Exclusive images earn you money, and you can track your earnings when a customer buys the rights to use your content. Royalty income through your patents. Royalty income is an income received from allowing someone to use your property. Royalty payments for the use of patents, copyrighted works, natural resources, or franchises are most common. Many times, the person using the property does so to generate revenue. Samsung paid Apple $539 million in a patent infringement case in the year 2018. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon to get new video updates.